Hey guys, what's up? Shino here, gaming and anime ninja, and I am here today with ShinoTech because I got something in the mail today. This GOXLR Mini. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I've heard so much about it. I had some extra cash, decided I wanted to pick one up. I actually plan on getting the full GOXLR eventually, but haven't quite got around to it, but I intend to. But for now, I'm going to be unboxing this with you guys, going over everything inside the box, as well as telling you guys what little I know about it out the gate, so we have a basic overview of it. And then maybe in a week or so, after I've had some time to play with it, I'll give you guys my full review. But for now, let's just get this bad boy open and get into it. So normally I would do like a crazy over-the-top video of watching me unpack this, and I might still do that later. But I'm just really excited to get this open. So we're gonna peel this tape off. I should just cut it. Wait, do I have a... Ooh. Wait. I would go for the nail clippers when I have scissors right here. Yeah. Alright. Alright, so opening it up. Ooh. First thing we have here is foam. A lot of foam. Now, we got it. It doesn't come with a lot. It's a GOXLR Mini, not the actual full GOXLR. So I don't think it comes with too much crazy. This one is USB powered, so you got the USB cable it comes with. The main one is bus powered, but this one isn't bus powered, so we just have the USB cable to power this one. Get out. Alright, cool. You know, see the box. Box is going bye-bye. Later. Got the quick start guide right here, and then we got what we really came for, the GOXLR Mini. Let's get this opened up real quick. Is this like sealed? It is sealed, which I guess I should be happy that it's sealed, but whatever. We got a little tiny scissors. Gotta just cut along the lines here. I don't even like cutting. I like ripping. I don't know. I'm a ripper. I like probably sound wrong. Whatever. I like ripping stuff open. All right. Come on. All right, here we go. And that's pretty much it. That's all you get in the box. I'm surprisingly not a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you. I expected a bit more. I don't know what I expected in the box, but I expected a bit more of this. But let's see how that feels. Ooh, that feels nice. So for those of you guys who don't know what the GOXLR Mini is, it's basically like a all-in-one streamer. I guess you could say all-in-one streamer preamp. The GOXLR, the full GOXLR, is basically this giant thing that goes over like sound levels, muting, fading, sound effects, all sorts of craziness. It's a really cool thing. It's a really cool piece of gear that I recommend every streamer look into eventually, especially once you get partnered and you're serious about content creation. But if you're just getting started, and you've kind of like, you want to upgrade a little bit, you've got a little bit of a budget, but you're trying to like keep it, say, under $1,000, then I would highly recommend going with the GOXLR Mini. It's only about 250 bucks, but you can control a bunch of different sound levels separately. You've got a mute button, you've got a swear button, or you've got to like press the mute, you've got a swear button, and you can mute all of these different things differently. So you can program these on your own, but you can see you can do like system sound, mic sound, music, and then game chat, you know, depending on who you're talking to. So you can control those sound levels individually. It also has an XLR input. And this XLR input, it has, I guess it's called a Midas preamp. I don't know too much about those. I'm still learning all this on the fly myself. But what I do know about it is that it is a very powerful preamp, very high quality. And even if you're using something like, say, the Shure SMB, which I know is apparently notorious for needing like a cloud lifter, if you get a GOXLR, you do not need a cloud lifter. This is more than enough to power those. So whether you're doing a dynamic or condenser mic, this will power those. So if you're planning on moving from a USB microphone to an XLR microphone like I am, this is a great place to start. It's everything you'll need for a while. It also has a headphone in and a headphone out. So if you've got a headphone, say like for example, I have my Logitech G430, sorry, or you have a pair of Astros, which I'm planning on getting, Astros 850s. You're able to connect those in so you can still hear both yourself and everything from the GOXLR. You've also got a line in so you can take sound, say, from your streaming PC or something else into this, and you've got a line out if you want to go, say, have this go to like a gaming PC or somewhere else. like I said, I'm still learning this. You also have console audio. So if you have optical audio from your console, like your Xbox or something like that, you also have that option here. But like I said, I'll get into a bit more about all the other stuff this thing can do. Like I said, I'm just kind of mesmerized and happy I've wanted this thing for a very long time. I've wanted this thing since the first one for a lot of different reasons. But the first one was really expensive. I think it came out at like $450, and I think right now it's at like $499. So it's a little bit out of my price range, especially since I didn't have an XLR microphone. But I am finally moving to the XLR microphone, but that's still a little out of my price range for what I need. So this is a great place to start. I wanted to do an unboxing of it. I've been waiting for this thing forever. I got it. I'm excited. And I guess we'll come back when I'm talking to you guys a little bit more about what it does. Yo, so I might be a little bit of a sound jump there. Going back over the original video, at least for the unboxing, I've pretty much done everything, or told you everything there is actually about this. You guys know about the faders, you guys know about the like super in-depth controls. I could maybe show you guys a quick video going over a little bit of like all the different options you have inside of it, like in terms of all the different things you can control from it. But for the most part, I've pretty much gone over everything that you need to know about the GOXLR Mini. I mean, it's not super complicated. That's one of the great things about it. Pretty much everything you need to know, I guess I've already gone over. Like I said, you can see in the videos, but it does give you way more control over it. You can, as you can see, you can do the whole RGB thing, you know, turn it up, turn it down, everything in between. As you guys may be hearing, you're now hearing me. I'm the GOXLR and a mic that I have through an XLR microphone instead of my Blue Yeti, which is what I'm normally using when I'm recording these videos. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for today. I'll do a full review of the GOXLR and the GOXLR Mini later down the line when I've got both, because I want to wait till I have both to really do a full review and explain the pros and cons of each one. But that's everything you need to know about it in terms of an unboxing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in the video. Until next time, my name is Shino Bowser. This has been ShinoTech, and I'll catch you guys later, alright? Deuces. Getting juked.